I'm Jennifer Luce, architect and principal of Luce Studio here in San Diego. We're at the Mingei International Museum today, and at this very moment sitting in the beautiful bell tower, which is the grand staircase to the galleries. We worked with a local company called Raymond. We wrapped the whole tower with Venetian plaster, a very ancient process that is quite rare to find craftspeople to execute. We also worked with Raymond on many other aspects of the museum and materials, and in particular, the plaster ceilings of the galleries, which are shaped like origami paper. They were able to recreate the notion of paper origami in acoustic plaster, and for us that was a really remarkable innovation. Working with a collaborative group like Raymond allows us to imagine beyond our expectations, and they truly brought each one of our ideas to life.